but size doesn't always matter. Some things come in small packages. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Mine's doing great. If you read from my title, the Target Advent Calendar for 2019 is out. I am definitely so excited because last year was really good. So if you want to see if the 2019 holiday Target Advent Calendar is just as good, then just stay tuned. All right, so this came out November 3rd. You can get it online or in some stores. This is only $19.99, and I really like Advent calendars. So it comes, I ordered this, and I ordered on the 3rd, and it came today. I think today's the 5th, so only in 2 days. And that's what it looks like. It says 12 Days of Beauty. So if you don't know what Advent calendars are, usually you start in December, and they either are 12 days or 24 days. This is the 12 days, and every day at night before you go to bed or whenever, you would open up a thing each day, and it's like a little treat for yourself. So that's what it looks like. So you just pop this puppy open like that. And here you are, it has all the numbers. And then you would start with number 1. And then on the second day, you would go to number 2 and 3. And you keep on going. So let's just get started. Let's see what I can do with this thing. Does this? Okay, yeah, that don't come out. All right, so we're going to start with day 1 right here. And let's see what's in here. We're going to get right to it. Come on. I'm trying to do it with one hand. Okay. So the first thing we got is this AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. Yes. I love eye cream. Now this was $19.99 and it says the value is $65. So you can't beat that. So we have this. So far, so good. All right. So then we're going to go to day 2 is right there. What's in there? Let's see if I can pull it out. I'm left-handed, so I don't know why I'm trying to do everything with my right hand lately. All right, can I get it out? All right. Then we have this sexy mother pucker. We have a lipstick in this like pinkish color. Is this a lipstick or a lip gloss? Let's see. What does it say? Lip pumping gloss. I love gloss so much. I don't know if I can get this open. I'm just going to try it on. Let's see if I can get it open. All right, so we got that on. So I'm going to try this on and see. I already have lip gloss on, but let's just put this over. Smells good. Okay. I like it. It's a lip plumping, so maybe it's going to like, you know, get tingly and plump up my lips. We shall see. All right. So then we have day 3 right here. Oh, what is this? Let me put it down here. Let me try doing stuff with my left hand. Maybe it would help because I am left-handed. I can't get it out. What in the world? Let's see. All right, so day 3 is this Almond and Avocado leave-in conditioner. And this is a pretty decent size sample. So that's good. All right, let's try my left hand. So this is, right here is day 4. So we have the first, oh, that must be something else. I'm having a horrible time. All right, so this is Hair Food Coconut Dry Shampoo. Ooh, I love dry shampoo so much. So we have that, and that's a decent sized sample. All right, so that was day 4. Day 5, where you be? This small little thing right here. But size doesn't always matter. Some things come in small packages. Okay. What we got? All right, is this a mascara? Milani Hot, what is this? Let's see. Let's open this up. I think this is a mascara. Yeah, right here. And by Milani, oh, I feel the plumping. I feel it. Okay, so we have a mascara, and this is by Milani, and I've never tried Milani mascara, so I'm definitely excited to try that. All right, day 6. This big boy right here. Again, just because it's big doesn't mean it's better. Ooh, this is pretty big. What we got? All right, so this is coconut and vanilla body wash. Okay. Let's smell it. Oh, that smells so good. I'm definitely going to try this tonight. This is a pretty decent size, too. All right. Let's try it over here. Day 7. I think this is deodorant. Yeah, so this is a coconut and vanilla deodorant by Native. Okay. Day 8, right here. Oh, I see a Pixie product. I hope this is the toner because I really like the toners. Oh my God, I'm struggling here. Come on. Let's see. All right, so this is the Glow Toner. I love this. I will definitely use this all up. This is really, really good. Okay, so that was day 8. Couple left. Day 9. This is the biggest one. What do you think? I guess this must have fell down. So this is enriched with, what is this? Gold peel-off mask. Let's hold it up. Let's see. Right there. All right. So that was day 9. Day 10. Oh, looks like Pantene. So this is a dry shampoo foam. I don't think I've ever tried a dry shampoo. Dry shampoo. I want to say champagne. Shampoo foam. I've never tried that. Let me know down below. Have you ever tried a foam for dry shampoo? I am so curious. All right. So then we have day 11. Let's see what's in here. Oh, another thing from Pantene. This is a dry conditioner mist. Very hard to get out. All right, this is pretty filled. So we have the mist, dry conditioner mist. I don't know what that is. What is that? What does it say? Shake well, hold 6 to 8 inches on dry hair. Apply from mid-length to ends. All right, so I'll definitely try it. And day 12, usually the last day is always the best thing. So let's see. What you got, Target? Oh. Let's see. This is moisturizer, 2 samples. I'm kind of disappointed on that. Usually day 12 is always the big, like, finale, is the best thing. And it's 2 samples. Vitamin C and intense hydration moisturizer. And then a moisturizer, it's a vitamin C. So let's recap what was in the Target box for $19.99. It claims to have $65 worth of value. So I'm not going to go in any particular order, just what I see first. So we have this little sample packets. We have a Pantene dry conditioner mist, which I'm definitely excited to try that. We have a dry shampoo foam. I'm really excited for these two. I think these are my favorite things to try. Then we have a small coconut and vanilla deodorant. So that's pretty good. We have Plumping Peel Off Mask, which I'm excited to try this, you know. We have from Hair Food, this is a coconut dry shampoo. There's really no makeup products, but two things. A Pixie Glow Tonic, which this is really good. I've tried these before. I really like them. We have a Milani Mascara, which I've never tried a Milani Mascara, so I'm excited to try that. We have the leave-in conditioner, a lot of hair stuff. I don't know. We have an eye cream, which I'm excited to try this too. Like these three things right here, I'm really excited for. And then we have a body wash. So, I don't know why. I cannot figure my lights out for the life of me. It says 12 days of beauty, right? So I was expecting more makeup, and it's a lot of hair stuff. I mean, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 hair things. Oh, I forgot. We also got this lip gloss. So the only like beauty products I get, well, like makeup products, are these. I don't know if I'm too excited about this. Maybe because last year was so good. I don't know. Do you think, let me know in the comments down below, do you think you got your $20 worth? Do you think this was worth $20? I don't know. I'm like on the fence with this. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of it? Do you think it's worth it? Do you not? If you like hair products, I definitely think this is definitely for you. If you like more skincare and things, it could be for you. But let me know what you think. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to rate this video. So either give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Let me know if you liked the video or not. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't think this was worth it. Let me know. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to comment. Let me know how your day is. I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know. And hit that post notification bell on so you can be notified for all of my future videos. I have some more advent calendars to do. I have the Bare Minerals. I have the Sephora. I have a few others coming in. So make sure that you subscribe if you like advent calendars and unboxings. And that's everything, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.